So what is a checked exception? See, I am writing a program. Right click on package, new class. Let class name is checked example. Let suppose small code I am writing. Print writer, let pw equals to new print writer within bracket. So one file is I am specifying, let abc.txt file. This point, this terminology is very important. Then pw.write function. Suppose I am writing hello. One output statement I am writing system.out.println Java checked exception. Let example. So print writer is a built-in class name. Okay, print writer is a built-in class name. So that's why. So it is coming from java.io package. So the package we have to import. We have to import. Okay, so print writer pw equals to new print writer. So what I am trying? I am trying is what pw is an object. Pw is an object. Which type of object? Print writer type of object. Print writer is a built-in class name. Basically, it is an input output related class coming from java.io package. So that's why that java.io package I imported import java.io. So in pw, this is object is a memory. So in this object, I have a file. That file name is abc.txt file. And in this abc.txt file, what I am trying to write hello. I am trying to write hello. This is my purpose. I am trying to write hello. Okay. So pw is an object. Which type of object? Print writer type of object. Print writer type of object. Print writer is a built-in class name coming from java.io package. Okay, so java.io.print writer you can write, otherwise you can write java.io.star. Star in meaning is what? Star is representing all built-in classes and interfaces. Okay, so in PW is the object of print writer class. In PW, we have a file. That file name is abc.txt file. So what I am trying, so there is a built-in method, write method coming from print writer class. That's why it is invoking by print writer object PW. So I have written pw.write hello. I am trying to write hello in PW. Okay, so everything is right. Everything. Not a single error that we have. But error is coming when I will compile here. This is the Eclipse environment or directly automatically error is arising. But if you will write this code through Notepad and you will go to command prompt and you will compile, so the compilation error will arise. So why? There is no error. But error is coming at the time of compilation. When the compiler is compiling, the compiler is providing a message. That means compiler is thinking in another way. The compiler is thinking. The programmer is trying to write hello in abc.txt file, but abc.txt file present in pw. Pw is the object of a print writer class. The compiler is thinking there may be a chances the programmer may or may not get abc.txt file at the runtime. Suppose, for example, today I thought tomorrow I will go to Priyanka college and I will meet to Priyanka for discussing some regarding summer training. So I thought Priyanka lunchtime is 1:30 p.m. She is uh, doing class regularly. So once I will reach at the lunchtime, so definitely I can meet Priyanka. So that's why I went to her college, and at 1:30 p.m. sharply I reached at her college. Then I started searching where is Priyanka. Then when I did not find, then I called Priyanka. Where are you, sir? Now I am in market building. So there may be chances I am going to her college to meet with Priyanka. There may be a chances she may or may not available. The remedy is, suppose tomorrow I will go to her college. Today I should call. I will call to Priyanka. Priyanka, tomorrow are you available at your college? I have some little bit work. Then I will meet and I will discuss regarding summer training. This is the remedy. But without call, if I will go to the college to meet with Priyanka, there may be chances, maybe, may or may not. Priyanka may available or may not available. So in that way, the compiler is thinking, not all the programs, some specific programs, some specific programs, the compiler is thinking. Why the compiler is thinking? For the smooth execution of the program at the runtime. Compiler is suggesting, you see, if when I will save Control S, you see in this line, so a red color cross mark is coming. So this is the compile time error. You see, on handle exception, file not found exception, file not found exception. Okay, so that means this is checked exception, file not found exception. Currently, I was telling. So the compiler is thinking the programmer may or may not find abc.txt file at the runtime. Okay, so this is checked exception. So some specific programs, some specific programs, the compiler strictly verify some specific programs, not all programs, some specific programs, the compiler strictly verifying for what? For smooth execution, for smooth execution of the program at the runtime. Okay, which is known as checked exception, which is known as checked exception. So here, file not found exception is the example. File not found exception is the example of a checked exception. You see? So file not found exception is common. Okay, so here compiler is giving this message. So we can handle it. If this code you will write in Notepad and you will go through command prompt and you will compile. So one message will come on reported exception java.lang.file not found exception must be caught or declared to be thrown. Compiler will suggest declared to be thrown, how to handle. So there is a keyword, that keyword is throws. So when we will go to exception handling mechanism, so that exception handling mechanism consisting of some keywords, try, catch, finally, throws, 5 keywords. This is one of the keyword. Throws keyword. We can handle checked exception by using throws keyword. Throws, if I will write exception, okay, if I will write throws exception, then you see control S. So now error resolved. There is no error. Throws is a keyword. Basically, this keyword we will use along with a method. So throws, whatever the exception will arise. So any exception, because I specified parent class. So any exception, checked or unchecked. Here checked example. So here file not found exception is arising. So exception is the parent class of file not found exception. Okay, so there is no problem. Throws exception when I am specifying. So any exception may arise at the runtime that will handle automatically. So if you see, so hello will write, then this is my output statement. So as per the output statement, output will come to the picture. Now I will hit run. So you see, so happily we got the output. So when I use the throws keyword, then checked exception handled. Then before that, exception was arising, that is file not found exception. So this is the example of checked exception. Some specific programs, the compiler is strictly verifying. Why? For the smooth execution of the program at the runtime. So this is very important terminology, checked exception.